Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode I am going to tell you how to apply gesso or texture paste on your canvas. As you must know, we use gesso or texture paste on our canvas to make their surface smooth, as most of canvases have rough grain like structure on them. Although some artists prefer unprimed canvas so that they can get rough texture on their painting, but primed canvases look smooth and are easy to use. So keep watching video till the end, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe also and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post another video. So let's get started. So this is the canvas which I'm using. It's Camlin. And I'm using artist gesso for it is also from Camlin brand. So what I'm doing is just put your brush, take out some gesso and apply it horizontally on the canvas. I am using flat brush of number 5 for applying gesso. You can use larger than this brush for applying gesso. It will be fast and quick. For first layer, just keep it in mind that you are applying gesso in only horizontal position. Don't apply it in every direction, otherwise it will not look smooth. And also don't put so much gesso in canvas because it will make some lumps on it and it will not look smooth again. After applying gesso horizontally in whole canvas, let it dry for 1 to 2 hours. When first layer is completely dry and you find any uneven gesso on canvas, don't worry, just grab a sandpaper and smudge it on all over canvas. It will make it smooth, and then your canvas is ready for second layer. For second layer we will go vertically so that it will cover all the spaces or all the grains which are left, and our canvas will look super smooth and it will be ready for painting. Just make sure that you are not applying huge amount of gesso. Just apply a thin layer of gesso on the whole canvas. One good thing about this gesso is it dries quickly. It will dry completely in less than 1 hour, so you will not have to wait for long. You can also use palette knife to create some texture on your canvas. It will help you to create awesome texture on your painting. So after completing second layer also, let it dry again for almost 1 hour and your canvas will be ready to paint. Now you can create your masterpiece on your canvas. So thank you so much for watching, friends. Please like, comment and share also with your friends.